Not sure how to get your vehicle emission tested in Mesa, Arizona? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So in Maricopa County, where we're at, the emission testing is done by an independent facility that's been hired by the state of Arizona. It's called Gordon-Darby. So you basically take your vehicle down there, you pull a little ticket, the gate opens, you drive to the back, you get into the right lane, and then you wait until your turn, and then they test your emissions. So sometimes the line's pretty short, sometimes it's long. If you're not familiar with it, it can be a little stressful. So if you want to avoid all that, we actually have a program at Mercie J. If you have any service that you need on your car at all, from an oil change to any repairs or anything, if you're due for emissions while your car's in the shop, we will gladly take it through, and then all you have to do is pay the fee that the state charges or Gordon-Darby charges. So I hope this helped you understand the emissions, and hey, we can take that off your plate if you'd like. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.